Hi, we're at the park at night. I don't know what that actually means, but guys. Well, let me go grab their phones if they're tripping. Okay. Yes, Lord, completely yes. My soul says yes. Okay, here we go.
I don't know.
All right.
Are you like carrying everything?
I'm totally carrying everything. Any questions?
Yeah.
I think I should slide on this, but then my...
Hi, dudes.
What if I just fell?
Don't.
Like this?
That's not funny.
Just kidding.
I'm tired of this world. It's just so corrupted.
Can you walk down this without holding on?
Yes. Can you? If you fall on your face, I'll be tempted to laugh.
I can walk up it without holding on.
Do it. Are you sure?
Whatever.
We're at the park on the playground, I guess.
See, I can
I
walk.
need a bigger slide. This is not okay.
And these are big
Gotta
babies.
come down the slide.
Ages 21.
No, I go top it. I'm a rebel.
16.
You're not a rebel. You're not
They're reminiscing of when they were like 5, 6,
What?
7, 8, 9,
Want to reverse?
and so on.
Jinx on reverse. Jinx on reverse. I can do it all in one step. Wait, dragging.
Okay. Hi, Valerie.
You go both, go up like this, and then swing over, and then go under, and then go down.
That's too skilled, girl.
These kids. I don't think they'll ever grow up. I don't know if your kids grow up ever. For mine, apparently
Oh, it's the thing that turns you
don't
around.
grow up. Wow, amazing.
Here, you can spin yourself. Watch, sit on it.
Goofy.
Just sit on
We're
it. and spin you
Philophicus.
first. Spin first, and then you can keep spinning yourself if you just...
Alexis, how old are you?
Woo!
Big old kids. That's messed up. Big
Mom, you
sissy.
get on it.
Yeah, right.
No, seriously. Alexis,
When
get
donkeys
Mom on
fly.
Are you gonna get on it, Mom?
No.
Go get on it. No.
I'm not gonna get out.
Are you gonna get on it? You gotta get on it.
Here. Stop playing games. That's all you do. The bar stool. Oh, sorry. On the playground.
There's no bar stool. What does that mean? Well, you guys sound like a regular chair.
No, it's a regular chair, Mom.
Okay.
There you go. Okay.
So first you gotta spin and then you can...
No, spin her again. Spin her again, Alexis. No, don't stop her.
No, say no to the playground. Give me my phone. I'm editing that because that's not cool.
No,
I'm
you're
dizzy.
staying in that.
I'm dizzy.
What am I supposed to do with all this merchandise?
I don't know. I don't understand the point of this thing right here.
No, it's something so stupid.
Super weak.
Not even the fifth grader would have been.
I know. That's not even cool enough. Can you, like this?
I don't know if you guys realize you're not 7 anymore. Or
Is there an age limit?
I don't know. Let me read the disclaimer. Hi, dude. Look at Alexis. She's totally reliving her childhood. Like, okay. Look at Valerie. Whoa. She's a pro at this.
I wonder why kids, like, start themselves.
Right?
Because they don't know what to do next.
Oh,
No, they're
you know what's
pretty.
scary, Alexis?
pretty,
I
slow.
tried this. Going back like that.
Bro, I can't do it. If I can't
They
see where
made me try a Katie's.
if I can't see where I'm going,
It's the worst thing in the world.
yeah, it's not okay anymore.
And sometimes you fall back and your arm twists.
Oh, actually, we're not allowed on board.
Why?
I just go. We're breaking the law. We gotta just stop.
Bye, guys.
I
Say
ain't
bye.
scared no
Say bye.
I ain't scared no po-po.
Don't say that, Valerie.
That's not nice.
Valerie, don't. You always talking out the side of your neck.